Super excited. I'm up to the sexy down. Oh, my God. Hey. Get the sexy down. Alright, we should do 2 more pistol eliminations. Let's visit O4. Supply. Destroy X2. Purchase at Loot Lake all across the street. Lana happy handle. If nobody will. There, no. Why should I show me this as streamer? What's up? Ah, cool. Nobody on the mic, so. So happy there. Oh, alright. Yeah, man. What about people? Yeah, so I come over, brother. The place dark and cold, but you know, just don't get used to it, you know. But just don't get used to it. Alright, turn off on my computer. Drag way too much. Internet resources. Yeah, man, what I don't pause on that, you know, because you know it's expected. We're at the tail end of the winter period now. I guess I do all pistol, you know. Brother, why you run me down here? Don't say something almost lose it. Like, bro, man, chill. No, I can't give you air, spirits. Come on, alright, look. Alright, spirit, check this. I was before you, right? But when I got it, makes it mine, right? And I probably could give you this AR though. Alright, hold up, spirit. I'm gonna give you this AR. Just give me a second. Yeah, just give me a second. Alright, there. Alright. I don't need ARs to pull up the board. Alright, where the war at? This. I need one other type of weapon. And that is delivered. Sure. That'd be too slow. Oh. Alright, never mind. Alright, let's go. Alright. Get it? We rolling. Yo, man, I have to cut soon. Yeah, man, no problem, man. I just appreciate you stopping by still, because I never have to stop by that time. So, yeah. Just stay here. I try to see if I can beat Kev to 1,000, you know? Alright, Spirit. There we go. That's you. Okay, Spirit. I'm just trying to find a sniper rifle now. I'm guessing you can get a sniper. You just need to kill one dude with it. Then it's yours. Man, I got both aviation school. Alright, this should be the hot zone in a little bit. Alright, Spirit, there's one dude south 196. Let's see if I can get some height. Yo, just go and take in a book here. Go and take in a book here, you. Here. Go up your smart like me. Wait, boy can't take it from a fool. So, I'm just going to take in a book, brother. Here. Knowledge is power, right? All these things y'all see me doing on YouTube, learn. Was unfortunate like some of you could have make it. Why me never glide or redeploy this? Was unfortunate like most of you guys get the funding, parental funding. It's just one big shield. It's just one big shield. Alright. Oh, you got one. Nice. Alright, let's pop up. Big mistake. Big mistake. Big mistake. As I said, I'm never fortunate like most people to have like the parental funding, right? So I have to take the long road, you understand? Start working when I'm 14. Take care of myself, send myself to school, all that stuff. Oh, Spirit, here's a chug jug right here. That one, big one, chug jug, very big one, chug jug, yeah, bring that. Alright, so let's see, should have done about 3 different languages there. Need to do one more, alright. Oh sure, keep on forget that I don't have glide or redeploy. Why would you take it out though? Sure, man. Yeah, man. Like me say still, like, a whole heap of things happen in between me, in between. Further, dude. A whole heap of things happen in between me. What? Alright, Spirits, yeah. Alright, we got something in Spirits. Yeah, you can use that, you can use that, you can use that. Yeah, use it, use it. Sly dog. Boy, alright, you know where I am. Careful, Spirit. That rock. Careful, Spirit. She's behind that rock. Spirit, you're exposed. He's gonna snipe you. Big mistake. Victims. I love victims. I love victims. Alright. Come on, try that again. What's that, Bill now? Alright people, I'm gonna end this stream in about half hour. Really game? Oh my god. Man shot me twice and I shot the man like a million times. Alright, that's how the first time. Guess you lose some I win some. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, man? Fam, what are you doing, man? Card is alright, don't worry, I got your revenge. I got your revenge. I got your revenge. I got your revenge. I got your revenge, car. I got your revenge. Don't worry about it, bro. I got you. Yard man thing, youth. Yard man thing, you. Yard man thing, you. Yard man thing, you. Fortnite, how many times can 48 go into 100? That was 3 straight headshots. 3 straight headshots. At least maybe not 3 straight headshots, but like 3 headshots. Them win. GG guys. Yo, what's up?
What's up?
I'm good. I'm doing a short live stream.
Everybody?
Yeah, I said I'm doing a short live stream.
What? That's your name online?
It's my profile name, but instead of the so you look it up right now, you're gonna realize that you're actually live You're actually in the actual live stream right now.
Okay. Can you look up my one?
Yeah, sure. Just comment in the chat. I'll just click on it and go to your channel.
Okay.
Yeah. We'll move way quicker that way. Oh, nice. I've been looking for one of these.
What the fuck?
Language. You found it?
You found it?
Yeah, I was asking if you found it.
Yeah, I found it.
Alright. Just comment in the chat and then I'll click from your comment and just go to your channel.
Okay.
Let me check these spellings real quick.
Oh man.
Yeah. Oh, I got big shield over here. Got a big shield and an AK on me. Where you at?
I'm over here at 1 minute. I'm tripping.
Oh, Andre, Andre, I got big shield over here. You can come get this big shield if you want. I mean, you know, if you want to.
So what was not in the thing?
You type you put a space and TV instead of _1.
Okay.
Triple S, you numpty. You just dropped.
I found you.
Found it?
Yeah.
Alright. Type in the chat and I'll.
I did it.
Alright. Oh, alright, I found you.
It's high. What you doing? I never had that much subscribers.
Oh, you got 26. It's probably your name. What is that pronounced?
They said Ray SD.
No, I mean your name. What is your name pronounced? Is that your actual name?
ISIS.
Is Isis Howard?
Yeah.
Is that your actual name?
Yeah.
That's your actual name? Alright, cool. It's probably why, because like there's a lot of oh, turn on the stream in the background because it's echoing.
I know what you mean. Alright, I'll turn it off now.
Yeah, it's probably your name because like the name Isis got like,
yeah, I know what you mean.
Yeah, that's it. So like I'm not telling you to, you know, not be, you know, proud of your name or not embrace it.
I need to change it.
Yeah, you could probably change it to something else, like, you know, maybe not your middle name because then people know all your information and, you know, you can get like identity theft and stuff, but like you could put it to like Hayward Plays or Hayward something. Just make sure that when you're changing your name you actually make a YouTube search to see if anyone else has it. That way you don't accidentally end up naming your channel after the same exact name as somebody else's channel, because then that's gonna cause a lot of problems for you, because when people start searching for you they're gonna find that person and then that person is gonna get all your subscribers and then you're gonna end up realizing that like your channel isn't growing, and then you search for your channel and you find this other person that's got like 50,000 subscribers and you're like, what? Well, how did that happen? Well, because that person has the exact same name that you have, you know?
Okay.
That's why there's so many fake ninjas out there with so many subscribers, because they got the same name as ninjas. So just bear that in mind. And then you could,
Okay.
yeah, you could implement that sometime. No?
Are you good?
Am I?
Yeah.
If I'm, repeat that question.
Are you good at this game?
I'm alright. I can get a kill if I can defend myself if I need to.
Well, you wanna play a playground after?
I don't really play playgrounds. For a lot of reasons. I don't get much time with the console, so whenever I do get time with the console, I try to see if I can make as much progress as I possibly can. So,
Okay.
yeah, that's probably the main reason why I don't play playground. Wrong gun.
Whoa, that was weird. You know what?
I hear you, I hear you, I hear you. Uh-oh. No, Atumbo.
How did you get that much subscribers?
A lot of support.
Okay.
Like, you support other people, they start supporting you back.
Okay.
Yeah, that's how I got a lot of subscribers. So it's between supporting it's between supporting people and supporting people, showing up in live stream, and giveaways, and being consistent. Cause like I try to upload or stream every single day. Yeah, so like you could have the most professional equipment, but if like you're not consistent.
What?
Missed it. Alright.
Oh my god.
Yeah, but that's it, man. You should like you could actually like meet up with people. You could do like meet up with people and stuff. Kinda help you to gain subscribers. So like you know a few people that have a few more subscribers. Yeah, you might see your subscriber count start going up. Because there are different people who watch for different reasons. I watch to be entertained, so as long as the person that I'm watching is entertaining, I will watch. That's me.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm just a little laggy. So, because my ping goes off
Oh, mine goes up and down sometimes too.
I couldn't glide.
Oh, come on, it was three of them. What are these guys doing, man? Alright, let's get it, yard man.
Tag somebody.
Power for blue pump.
Whoa, you're lucky. Your whole team was kidnapping. So if I give you like 25 subscribers, you can give me subscribers. That's what you're trying to say?
Nah, that's not what I'm saying. That's called like sub for sub. What I'm trying to say is like, all right, what I want you to do? Add me on PSN or Epic, and then we can play a few games together. What I'll do is whenever we're streaming, I'll actually link your channel in the description, right? And I'll tell my subscribers that if they like what you do, they can go to subscribe to you. If they like what you do, they'll just go subscribe to you, alright?
Okay.
Yeah.
I got you now. Well, can we add each other on PlayStation?
Repeat that one?
Can we add each other on PlayStation, please?
Yeah, or, wait, I might add you. I might just add you.
Okay.
Alright, so you're TSMI.
Oh, I'm shot. 1 minute. I'm right next to you.
You're mid, right?
B, yeah, it is. Hi, Mama. No?
You cannot beat the master of the pistol art.
750, I'll get ready like 5 more minutes. Yeah, I have my breakfast. Juliet made it for me.
Cannot beat.
And the guy is very cheeky. I'm low.
This is the power of the Atumbo.
What? Laggy.
Almost got it. What?
You know how you shoot somebody and it doesn't count?
Yeah, like what happened a while ago when I shot this dude for 80 and then literally shot him for like nothing at all.
That's just cheap. Are you breaking my stuff? Somebody's breaking my stuff so I can get shot. I'm still in this house.
It was
How much kills do you have?
I'm only at 6 kills. Oh, well, so much for that challenge.
Mama.
Should probably try to get grenade launch. Ah, you broke the supply drop. Nice.
I think I'm lagging now. Because it's not letting me actually play. Oh, shit. Couldn't be open. Whatever.
Sniper, no.
I'm gonna see your name.
You could call me Triplet.
Huh?
You could call me Triplet.
Triplet?
Triple S.
Triple S?
Yeah.
There's a guy. Ah! Stop shooting at me.
So only trip left for UDP before 1. I wonder if this could work.
Nice. My ping is on 5 and it's still 11 to go. How can you be lagging if your ping's on 5? I don't get it. How are they winning?
Yeah, they're winning.
How them?
Because I'm not killing enough of them.
What did they? They're trash. The guy I killed like 2 seconds ago just killed me.
Alright, I sent you an epic friend request. So you could accept that for me, please. I'm gonna, I subscribed to your channel and I turned on post notifications. Alright, so it's done. Alright. So, Myth, if you're watching this stream, I'm gonna be ending this stream. Alright? So what I want you to do is, I realize you have school whenever you're not in school and you're at home. Just send me an invite, I'll accept you, we'll start playing, and see if we can get you some subs. Alright? So thank you guys for stopping by. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications so you guys can be notified every single time I drop a video. This is the boy here, Triple Storm. It's been one of those early morning streams again, and yeah, I really had fun. So you guys take care. I'll see you guys in another video. Alright, let's check to see what we got first, and then we're out. So, premature outro there. Alright, nice. Alright, here. Alright, so I was saying I was about to end the stream because I'm gonna start working right now. So
okay.
Yeah. For those of you who wanna know, his channel is Isis Hayward. That's ISISHAYWARD. That's his channel right now, right? It might change in the future, but whenever we're playing, I'm gonna just have him, type in the chat so you guys can find him. So again, guys, this is it. Atumbo there, Atumbo not there again. Atumbo I got work. Atumbo need to go get some breakfast. All right. So, Mick, thanks for stopping by. And thanks for the subscription. Thanks for supporting the stream. And let's see if we can get you to. Let's see. All right. So you're currently at 26 subscribers. Alright, I'm gonna see if I can get you to 50 by the end of the week.
Thank you.
Alright, no problem. Alright, so we got a ton of new stuff here. Alright, let's do this. And guys, don't forget, free agent season starts this Monday. So you guys can actually get your own channel customized intro videos, end screen, title screens, everything. The whole works. So don't forget, guys. I have 2 open slots right now, and I'm only taking on 5 projects this year. So, guys need to contact me quick. You guys know how to do that. Social media links are in the about section. Right? So yeah, it's been a great morning, people. All right. So, Miss, you can say hi to Jamaica. All right, let's go. We out.